Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Guys, today I'm going to show you how to redeem a promo code in a Standoff tool in 2025. First, open a Standoff tool and tap the inventory icon on the menu. Then switch to the shop tab and select promo code. Next, type or paste your promo code exactly as it appears. Write the capitalization and any special characters and hit apply. You will see your rewards land in your inventory immediately. Keep in mind that codes are case sensitive, usually redeemable only once per account, and often expire quickly. If you don't see the promo code option, make sure your game is fully updated. That's it, simple as that. Enter your code, hit apply, and enjoy your free skins, bucks, or weapon rental. Good luck out there. See you in next tutorial.